You wouldn't compromise on safety in your everyday life, so why would you allow it in your underground mine or civil tunnel? Hello, my name is Peter Bray, and I'm the Global Product Manager responsible for rock reinforcement equipment at Epiroc. In this film, we're going to talk about the Boltec M10 and its big sister, the Boltec E10. They're fully mechanised rock bolting drill rigs for medium and large size tunnels. Let's have a closer look and see why Boltec sets the industry standard for rock reinforcement underground. Improved operator ergonomics. The new operator cabin features many improvements and upgrades when compared to previous models. The carrier control system is ergonomic and affords the operator excellent visibility when tramming. Improved insulation means sound levels of 65 dBA or less during operation. The climate control system features HEPA filtration and automatic temperature adjustment. All these improvements ensure that the operator station is a safe and comfortable operating position. Increased productivity and bolt installation quality. With pumpable resin and self-drilling anchors, the door is open for single bolt auto installation, bringing forth the ability to bolt during shift changes and lunch breaks where otherwise the machine would be standing idle. Where situations require, the new Boltec is also capable of tele-remote control, which can be critical for operator safety in areas of unstable ground. Bolt logging functionality ensures that the quality of bolt installation is recorded and transmitted for later analysis. Flexibility. The Boltec M10 and E10 retain the flexibility of previous models with the ability to install several different bolt types with minor adjustments to the machine. The boom bolter concept ensures that the operator station is a safe distance from the working end of the machine during the bolting process. The Butt 45 base boom is robust and provides fast positioning and a wide range of positioning capabilities. The centerline mounted bolting boom and optional mesh handling boom mean that mesh installation is optimised regardless of what direction the machine is turned when installing mesh. The new Boltec M10 and E10, the benchmark in underground rock reinforcement.